In this video, we are going to discuss how you can create an account on TokenPocket crypto wallet so that you can save or receive crypto on this wallet. It is quite simple. In 3 to 4 steps, your account will be created. But remember one thing, one single mistake can cost you all of your crypto savings. So make sure to follow every single step very carefully. The very first step is to download the application. You can download it from App Store or Play Store. Open this application and there will be 2 options. Choose the second one. I don't have a wallet. Now here you have to create a password. This password is not your login or private information or private keys. It is only a password which you can use to access your crypto wallet on this device. The only purpose of this password is that no one can physically access your wallet on your device. So create a strong password here. You can enable the Face ID payments to make transaction using your Face ID or Touch ID. Then agree terms and conditions, click create. Click allow and confirm your Face ID. Now you have 3 options here. HD wallet, multi-sig wallet and hardware wallet. Most people confuse here. Hardware wallet only works if you have a physical cold wallet, and if you don't know what is a cold wallet and how you can buy it or how you can use it, simply click the subscribe button because I'm going to make a lot of videos on that topic as well. Cold wallet or hardware wallet is an offline wallet with the maximum security levels for crypto savings. Well, the second option is multi-sig wallet. It is oftenly used by teams and by groups where there are multiple people who have access to a single wallet. But for a normal use, HD wallet is the best option. So simply click HD wallet. Then you can name that wallet as well, agree terms and condition, and click next. Now this is the most important step where 90% beginners oftenly do mistakes and lose their assets forever. So in TokenPocket crypto wallet, there will be no email, no verification, no identity verification. The only way to access your crypto, to access your wallet, will be 12 random words. 12 words known as key phrase or seed phrase. These 12 words are generated by multiple tools. They create an extremely rare combination of words, and those 12 words are actually the login or private information of your wallet. If you have the key phrase, you have the wallet, you have your crypto savings. If you lose it or if you share those words with anyone, your wallets and your all crypto savings will be gone. So click create recovery phrase. Now the best way to back up the recovery phrase is to note down on any notebook and save that notebook to a safe or locker. Never ever save these 12 words, these recovery phrase on any application or on any WhatsApp, and also never save these 12 words as a screenshot. Simply note down these words on a notebook and then save the notebook. After saving these 12 words, click check backup. Choose these 12 words according to the numbering, then click complete. Choose select all and then continue. It will take only 5 seconds and you will be allowed to click confirm. And now your wallet has been created. Now you can receive crypto from anyone. You can store your crypto here. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. And if you want a crypto tutorial of withdrawal from TokenPocket crypto wallet, comment in the comment section. And if you need one-on-one quick assistance, you can simply DM on the WhatsApp, Telegram or website contact supports mentioned in the description. See you in the next video.